Alright everybody, Tony with Buck Saws, back with another episode for you here today. I just got back from the local cycle center, so give them guys a little shout out. I normally go to Montgomeryville Cycle Center, but you know, they're my local shop, so pretty loyal to them guys. They've always been good to me. But did buy this helmet with my own money, but decided to retire the old bell. Probably should have retired it a couple years ago, but you know how it goes. I was attached to it. Wasn't necessarily, didn't have the money to spend on a new helmet. Just young and dumb, you know. So she's getting retired. Got a new one. I want to give a thanks to the guys in the live chat with Highland Cycles. Good group of guys over there. So, retiring the bell, bought a new one. I want to give a thanks to those guys. You know, I like what he's doing over there. If I was in the same state, I'd come ride with you guys. But also picked up some C9 for upcoming two-stroke oil test planning up. So if you guys have any input you guys would like to see, just drop it in the comments. Really looking forward to trying that Dumont Tech L111. So I want to give a thanks to Dave Moore and family over at Dave Moore Racing. You guys should keep up that two-stroke versus four-stroke jokes, man. That shit is hilarious. I love it, and I ride a four-stroke, and I still think it's funny. So keep it up. I like it. But I think I'm going to use the C9 as kind of the control fuel. So we'll run all the oils with C9, and probably run them with pump fuel too. But you know, we'll separate. You know, we'll do all the oils with C9, and then do them again with regular old pump fuel. But I did run some of that today. I mixed up 2 gallons at 40-1 with Sunoco 94 Ultra, and I only ran it in the weed whacker so far. It felt like it had a little more power, but I have an idea for some tests since I don't have a dyno. But for the upcoming test, I do have an idea. It's going to involve a weed whacker and a leaf blower, but I mean, I'm also going to run it through the chainsaws. But the wood's not always consistent, so I don't want to base everything solely on timed cuts. But I'll just kind of work with what I got, since you know I don't have a dyno. But maybe one day. But while I was there at the cycle center, I picked up a new pair of goggles. I had the old pair of Oakleys for that bell. I mean, those were great goggles. Got them around here somewhere. I went with the retro Scott looking goggles. Yeah, Scott looking. There's one for you guys. Comes with a bag, a nose guard. Also comes with a clear. But I'll probably rock that blue tint for now, because not like where I go, that they let you ride at night. So I get to do a lot of night riding. Plus my KX don't have a light on it. So I went with the Shoei Pinnacle, the VFX Evo. It's kind of slim pickings on medium helmets. I'm a size medium, and seems that's the most popular size. So looking at some of the other brand helmets, but like I said, it wasn't much to choose from size-wise. This is kind of a hot sales weekend, you know. They normally have some good 4th of July sales. I did get a little discount on this, and then plus, you know, them guys do hook me up with a discount because I bought my motorcycle from them. But pretty cool looking, if you ask me. I'm digging kind of the retro colors. It's giving me old school vibes, but it's a size medium. So I'll let you guys know how it fits and how I like it once I get some ride time with it. But kind of nice to have a new helmet. You know, I was overdue. But I have to figure out where I'm gonna end up getting the GoPro mount. Seems the mounts up here give it a pretty good view. Or I guess some guys mount them up here too, but we'll see where I end up deciding to get the mount the GoPro mount. But just thought I'd share that with you guys. So I'll keep you posted on the helmet. Again, if you guys have any input on what you'd like to see in that upcoming wheel test, just drop it in the comments. You know, the plan for now. You know, I'm really interested to see what that L111 does, but I got some Kawasaki semi-synthetic up there. I got the still orange bottle. I know guys love the still wheel. Got some VP, some of the old Echo Power Blend. I say maybe the crowd favorite, the Echo Red Armor. That always has good reviews. But like I said, looking forward to the Demontech. And then, you know, probably throw some Beam or the Super Technoplate in there. But I've always had good results with the Kawasaki or Husqvarna HP or XP. That oil's always been good to me. It's been my go-to. I used to run the Red Max, but once they got acquired, pretty much switched over to that blend once the old stock ran out. But I've always had good results with it, and I'm even guilty of running it in my Suzuki LT80. I just pour it right in the oil reserve. I still have the oil injector running on it, but I'm not sure if that Demontech is rated for oil injection systems, but I don't think it's a big deal to remove that oil injector on that and just run premix. Be cool to see what it does in the little 80, but can't say. Well, maybe I'll have to take a look. I run the shit out of that bike, and it's kind of my backyard ripper. And like I said, I've been running on that Husqvarna. Been running the Husqvarna wheel for a while now. So I think if it was bad, it would have blown up already. But maybe we'll do a teardown or stick the borescope in there and see what's going on. But this thing still runs like a charm. So, but I think that's it for now, guys. If you have any input you want to see on the oil test, just leave it in the comments, and I'll update you on this helmet after I get some ride time on it, and Also update you once I get that on the CRF50 out. So plan on trying to do that this weekend, but see what happens. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more.